Today, we're exploring the world of portable tire inflators. Whether you're on a road trip, biking through the trails, or just prepping for emergencies, these gadgets are absolute lifesavers. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to find out more about each of these stands. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Pick My Trends for more great product reviews. First up, we have the Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This little guy packs a punch, offering up to 120 psi of precision. It's compact, battery-powered, and features an auto shut-off function, perfect for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. With its built-in flashlight and multiple pressure units, it's user-friendly even in low-light conditions. Plus, it comes with 3 attachments for versatile use. However, this inflator is best suited for smaller tasks, so avoid using it for larger tires or air mattresses. Next, we have the AstroAI Tire Inflator. Unlike the Airmoto, this one's corded, plugging right into your car's 12-volt outlet. It boasts AstroAI's tough Ultra technology for durability and delivers up to 80 decibels of noise while inflating. With its programmable inflation and auto shutoff, this is a no-hassle solution for everyday drivers. It can inflate a standard car tire in about 5 to 7 minutes. Plus, the backlit screen and emergency LED light make it great for nighttime use. Moving on, let's talk about the Fanttik X9 Pro. This portable inflator stands out with its 1-minute jet inflation for compact car tires and a powerful 150 psi capacity. It's ideal for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. What I love is the smart auto stop feature and the convenient storage slot for accessories. The battery life is impressive too, capable of inflating up to 5 car tires on a full charge. Plus, it's super quiet at just 60 decibels, making it one of the quieter options on our list. The Carsun Digital Air Compressor is another great pick for road trips. It delivers a solid 150 psi and can inflate a standard car tire in under 5 minutes. Its 10-foot power cord ensures you can easily reach all your tires. With a high-precision digital display and long-lasting LED lights, it's reliable in any condition. Just note, it's not suitable for trucks or heavy-duty vehicles. It also comes with multiple nozzles for added versatility. Now let's look at the AstroAI Cordless Tire Inflator. This dual-power device offers a 20-volt rechargeable battery and a 12-volt DC adapter for versatility. It's fast, inflating tires to 160 psi in just 4 minutes. With its sturdy metal structure and LED light, it's perfect for both daytime and nighttime use. This one's great for cars, motorcycles, and bikes, but not large trucks. The ergonomic design and included storage case make it a user-friendly choice. Last but not least, we have the Avid Power Tire Inflator. With dual power options, a 20 volts rechargeable battery, and a 12 volts adapter, this inflator is a versatile choice. It's quiet at just 65 decibels and inflates a tire in about 3 minutes. This one's perfect for emergencies or routine maintenance. Plus, it comes with a storage bag to keep everything organized. It also features a USB output, so you can charge your devices on the go. Each of these products has something unique to offer, so pick the one that fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.